Welcome to our channel. Today we will unveil secrets that will help you successfully invest in cryptocurrencies by drawing on ancient Stoic principles. Imagine this. What if philosophers like Seneca and Marcus Aurelius could tell you how to succeed in the world of modern investments? Intrigued? Stay with us until the end to discover 10 Stoic rules that will change your approach to cryptocurrencies forever. You're about to embark on an incredible journey to financial freedom and inner peace. Are you ready? Let's get started. At the heart of Stoic philosophy lies the ability to manage your emotions and make rational decisions despite external circumstances. This quality is key for a successful investor in the world of cryptocurrencies. Let's dive into the 10 rules that will help you achieve financial success. The first rule: focus on what you can control. In crypto investing, this means concentrating on your own actions and strategies rather than market volatility. For instance, instead of panicking over price drops, use this time to analyze your investments and find new opportunities. The second rule: accept the inevitable. The cryptocurrency market can be extremely unstable, and it's important to understand that losses are inevitable. Seneca said, "He who has enough does not fear." Accept losses as part of the journey and don't let them throw you off course. The third rule: practice moderation. This means you shouldn't invest all your funds in one cryptocurrency. Diversify your investments across different assets to minimize risks. This approach will help you stay calm and confident, even if one of the assets drops in value. The fourth rule: be prepared for the worst. Marcus Aurelius advised always being ready for any challenges. In the crypto world, this means creating a reserve fund and continually updating your knowledge of the market. For example, study new trends and technologies to always stay one step ahead. The fifth rule: don't succumb to emotions. The Stoics believe that emotions hinder our ability to make rational decisions. This is especially important in investing. Learn to control your emotions and not give in to panic or euphoria. Remember, a decision made in the heat of emotion is rarely the right one. The sixth rule: learn from mistakes. The Stoics believe that every mistake is a lesson. In the world of cryptocurrencies, it's important to analyze your mistakes and learn from them. For example, if you lost money on a bad investment, dissect what went wrong and avoid similar mistakes in the future. The seventh rule: set long-term goals. Stoicism places great emphasis on long-term goals and planning. In crypto investing, this means developing strategies that will help you achieve your financial goals in the future. For example, invest not only in popular, but also in promising new projects. The eighth rule: be disciplined. Discipline is the foundation of Stoic philosophy. In crypto investing, discipline will help you stick to your strategy and avoid impulsive decisions. Set rules for yourself and strictly follow them, even when the market throws unexpected surprises. The ninth rule: assess risks. The Stoics always try to assess risks before making decisions. In cryptocurrency investments, this means thoroughly analyzing each asset before investing. Study projects, read white papers, follow news and expert opinions. The 10th rule: take care of your mental health. It's important to remember that your mental health is as important as your financial well-being. The Stoics practice meditation and self-reflection. Incorporate relaxation methods and mindfulness practices into your routine to maintain mental clarity and inner peace. Applying Stoic principles to investing will help you not only maintain your composure during market instability, but also achieve significant financial success. Let's look at some examples of how these rules can work in practice. Imagine you invested in a promising new project, but after a month its value dropped significantly. Instead of panicking, you accept the inevitable, second rule, and focus on what you can control, first rule. For instance, analyzing the current situation and finding new opportunities. You understand that losing money is part of the process and that mistakes are lessons, sixth rule. You assess risks, ninth rule, and decide to invest in another project while diversifying your funds among several assets. Third rule: you continue to monitor the market, study new technologies and trends. Fourth rule: at the same time, you don't succumb to emotions. Fifth rule: and disciplinedly follow your strategy. Eighth rule: in the end, despite temporary setbacks, you achieve your long-term goals. Seventh rule: and maintain your mental health. 10th rule. Now let's delve deeper into each of these rules and examine them in more detail so you can apply them in practice. But before we continue, subscribe to our channel and click the bell to not miss new helpful videos on stoicism and cryptocurrencies. Focus on what you can control. In crypto investing, this means continuous learning and improving your knowledge. Read books, watch educational videos, attend seminars and conferences. The more you know, the more confidently you can make decisions. For example, if you study technical analysis, you will better understand when to enter the market and when to exit. This will give you control over your investments and allow you to avoid losses. Accept the inevitable. Losses are part of the game. It is important to understand that the cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile and losses are inevitable. But instead of panicking, accept this as a given and focus on how to benefit from it. For example, if the price of your cryptocurrency has dropped, it may be a good time to buy so that you can sell it at a higher price in the future. Remember that every loss is an opportunity for a new beginning. Practice moderation. Do not invest all your funds in one cryptocurrency. Diversify your investments across different assets to minimize risks. This approach will help you stay calm and confident, even if one of the assets drops in value. For example, you can spread your funds among Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several promising altcoins. This will protect your investments from the volatility of a single asset. Be prepared for the worst. Create a reserve fund and continually update your knowledge of the market. Study new trends and technologies to always stay one step ahead. For example, if you know that a new technology is expected to be released that could affect the price of a cryptocurrency, you can prepare for it in advance. Don't succumb to emotions. Learn to control your emotions and not give in to panic or euphoria. Remember, a decision made in the heat of emotion is rarely the right one. For example, if you see that the price of your cryptocurrency has risen sharply, don't rush to sell all your assets. Analyze and make an informed decision. Learn from mistakes. Analyze your mistakes and learn from them. For example, if you lost money on a bad investment, dissect what went wrong and avoid similar mistakes in the future. For instance, if you invested in a project without proper research, draw conclusions and thoroughly study each project before investing in the future. Set long-term goals. Develop strategies that will help you achieve your financial goals in the future. For example, if your goal is to save a certain amount for retirement, create an investment plan that will help you achieve this goal. Be disciplined. Follow your strategy and avoid impulsive decisions. Set rules for yourself and strictly follow them, even when the market throws unexpected surprises. For example, determine the level of risk you are willing to accept and do not exceed it, regardless of the market situation. Assess risks. Thoroughly analyze each asset before investing funds. Study projects, read white papers, follow news and expert opinions. For example, if you want to invest in a new project, conduct a detailed analysis to understand how promising it is. Take care of your mental health. Incorporate relaxation methods and mindfulness practices into your routine to maintain mental clarity and inner peace. For example, practice meditation, exercise, and spend time in nature. These rules will help you not only achieve financial success, but also maintain inner balance. Remember that investing is not only about money, but also about your emotional and mental state. By following Stoic principles, you will be able to not only increase your income, but also become a more confident, calm, and wise investor. So let's summarize. Focus on what you can control, accept the inevitable, practice moderation, be prepared for the worst, don't succumb to emotions, learn from mistakes, set long-term goals, be disciplined, assess risks, and take care of your mental health. These 10 Stoic rules will help you successfully invest in cryptocurrencies and achieve financial well-being. Apply them in practice and see how your approach to investments changes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us what other topics you would like to see in our videos. If we reach 500 likes, I will post a video on how to create a stoic cryptocurrency investment portfolio with a balance of risk and stability to become successful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.